Take a ride in the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.